Using Google Lens to translate text in photos is a game changer, especially when traveling or reading foreign language materials. First, make sure you have the Google Lens app installed or access it through the Google app or your camera app on some Android phones. Open Google Lens and point your camera at the text you want to translate. This could be a street sign, menu, book, or any printed material. Now, tap on the Translate option at the bottom. Instantly, Google Lens will detect the language and overlay the translated version right on your screen, replacing the original text in real time. If you've already taken a photo with the text, you can still use Lens. Just open the Google Lens app, tap the photo icon in the top corner to access your gallery, and select the image. Again, tap Translate, and Lens will process the text and show the translation over the original. You can even copy the translated text, listen to it, or search further if needed. It supports dozens of languages and works both online and offline if you download the language packs in advance. Whether you're studying, traveling, or just curious about a foreign product label, Google Lens makes real-time translation easy and fast, all from your phone.